Who says being a bike mechanic is easy? Good bike shop mechanic is the unsung heroes of every rider. The best ones are deftly silencing the most elusive creaks and fixing the hopelessly unfixable. Some days it can be tough, but it is hard to hate your job when your job is what you love. Customers come to us for many reasons. One for sure, they demand a better product for a reasonably competitive price and timely manner. As bike mechanics, despite technically skilled, we can't do much on a bike without tools. Bicycle tools are meant to make our job easier. Using the proper tool is the difference between a quick and easy maintenance sessions and an extended interlude of cursing, bleeding knuckles, and possibly damage to pricey parts. For safety, we recommend checking your wheel through before every ride. If it is bad enough that it hits your brake pads and stops you, then you might end up going over the bars, especially with the front wheel. There is a real satisfaction in dismantling a filthy part that is not functioning well, cleaning it up, lubricating it with fresh grease, and reassembling it so that it works like a new machine. Downhill bikes, for example, are built to go down steep, technically track as fast as possible, so have large amount of travel to provide additional traction and support. A synthetic grease prevents wear and distortion in headset, hubs, and bottom brackets, even in brutal downhill racing and grand tour that a bicycle can encounter. Downhill bike group sets are far more complex than road bikes due to the different demands of each riding style. Even small failures can make a huge impact on the functionality of the bike. Little problems such as moved brake pads can subtly cause your braking power to decrease. For those who love to race, we ensure your equipment is also ready to perform on the key events. After cleaning, we make sure all those moving parts are protected and working as efficiently as possible with proper lubing. This can include your chain, derailleur, brakes, cables, and more. We don't just service bikes, we care about them. Urban riders who love commuting, leisure, or touring for the short on space, we do whatever it takes to get you back on your bike. Every bicycle needs special treatment, and your mountain bike is no different. No matter which type of rider you are, always check your bike before heading out on a ride. Take a good look at your bike every now and again. You might just spot something small before it becomes a big problem. Enjoy the ride and leave your bike with us.